makita nyo the exact development that we have.
Okay, just for an intro, our speaker, pakilala ka muna. You are?
Good morning, my name is Gina De Jesus. I'm one of the International Sales Director of Aboitiz Infracapital Sales Department.
Okay, so again to all our listeners, guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Aboitiz Infracapital at Lima Estate. So we're going to have a presentation with their projects.
Okay. So as part of the scale model, in terms of logistics, this portion is the start hallway. I believe you passed this start hallway earlier, and then you took the Malvar exit, and also you took the GP Laurel Highway. And this is our main boulevard, wherein we are here right now at the outlets. And this portion is the commercial and the retail component. Okay, as you can see, the outlets, it's composed of different restaurants, coffee shops, and outlet stores. And as part of sustainability, all of the rooftops are already have their own solar panels.
So dyan tayo ngayon, di
We're
ba?
here right now, and this is the football field po.
Yung
The one
kanina.
that you saw earlier. And then, again, going back to the main boulevard, here you will be entering the gate for the industrial park. And in this portion here, these are the whole industrial developments already, wherein we have the biggest locator, which is Epson. We have Yamaha, wherein all the motorcycles in the Philippines is being assembled here in this facility, and also GTI or Japan Tobacco. Okay, so as you can see, we have the commercial component. This portion, we have an existing Lima Park Hotel. And then, when you enter, I believe you already saw the ongoing construction of our office building. We call it Lima Tower 1. And beside are the commercial lots, Phase 1, which are already sold out. And then, for the commercial component, we will be launching, since Phase 1 is already sold, we will be launching another Zone 2 or Phase 2 of the commercial lots, which is another 40 hectares po. Okay? So more inventories for us. Okay? So, for the industrial naman po, this portion na po yung minamarket natin. We call it the Phase 4 or the Tier 1. Okay? And in terms of inventory, we already purchased properties, the part of Santo Tomas and as far as Alaminos na po. Okay? And this portion is our expansion.
Yung kulay na yan, no?
Yan po, yung may mga naka-highlight na po na lights.
Give, in terms of hectares, itong may green area, mga ilang hectares na tayo?
More than 826 hectares already, composed of commercial, industrial, and also residential. This portion po, we call it the Villages at Lipa. And this one is also handled by our
Aboitiz land.
Aboitiz land. Okay. Another added feature would be we will be having the project of DPWH, a start toll interchange that goes directly here in the nearby the outlets.
Para diretsyo na, hindi na ikot pa
Save,
doon.
much time, and also we are expecting, of course.
Ito ba yung superhighway na, what you call this highway?
Sir. Okay. And this is Malvar exit. This one. And this is GP Laurel.
Kasi kanina umikot kami, no? Doon, no?
Right now, we have po itong Malvar Gate 1 and Lipa Gate, wherein we have the office of the PEZA. So all delivery trucks pass by here. And we will also be opening another Malvar Gate 2 naman po in this portion.
So yung 800 hectares na ito, yung future expansion natin, mga ilang hectares yan?
We are looking at more than 1,400 hectares of
So around
expansion.
800 plus 1 to around 2,000 plus hectares tayo.
A lot of inventories po.
Yeah. So can we do some few questions from our broker? Ako mauna. So yung commercials natin ngayon, mga ano ang average cut natin sa commercial natin?
For the commercial phase 2 po, or zone 2, the sizes that we're looking at is around 1,200 to 2,000.
So 1 to 2,000.
Yes.
Price range?
It The prices would really depend on the location, which we can share with you po.
Okay, so to all our listeners, if you wanted to inquire about our commercial package around 1,200 to 2,000 square meter, just contact your licensed brokers and we are willing to help you. Okay, so let's go to our industrial zone. Sige, sir.
May I join? Are there specific industries that are being welcomed, preferred
For the commercial,
to
sir,
the
we
commercial
have
area?
mixed use.
Mixed use.
We have institutional lots also.
Okay.
We just have some limitations or FARs from 3 to 7.
Okay.
If AR floor area ratio 3 to 7. So when you say institution, pwede paralan, ano pa yun? How will you?
Hospitals.
By the way, sino yung mga unang locator natin sa commercial? Anong institution, anong mga ano lang, classification?
Developer, the locators na rin po of this one. They're also into developments of mixed use, like condominiums, offices,
So pwede,
developers also.
pwede tayo for developers. Office condo, residential condo,
Yeah,
hotels.
And to add on, there will be two entrance coming from the commercial so that
May direkta
tayo
sila.
congested. Yeah, hindi sila
Ito.
congested.
So, we have, for this expansion, mga 40 hectares, may sariling direct access to the highway.
Yeah. And Lima Estate has a very good location in terms of we are aligned with the infrastructure of the government. Like, can you show the Tier 4 area going to Quezon?
Okay.
No, the roads, yeah, going to Quezon.
Yan.
That's the
TR4.
TR4. That's a TR4 that goes all the way to Quezon and to Manila. Mhm. And there's another, this one, the Star Toll goes all the way to Batangas. So we are very close in terms of the airport, the two ports, which is Batangas Port and Manila Port. And there's another two bypass road in the area. So there's a lot of possible routes going to the estate.
We have PNR. We also have the Maharlika Road. The TR4. We also have the Santo Tomas Alaminos Road. Also the JP Road.
So we are very, in terms of location, we are really strategically located in various key major roads of the South Luzon.
Question, saan yung mga, we have mga hospitals na ba dito ngayon?
Actually, sir, this one po.
Bago lang.
That
This is
one.
a new hospital. And
Okay.
we have nearby schools also.
That one, no? Okay, malapit sa entrance talaga.
Yeah, and in the area here in Lipa, we have Lipa Mediatrics, which is a very high standard hospital in the region. It's something like our St. Luke's or Makati Med here. And also in the nearby area like Santo Tomas, there's Cabrini. Just in Malvar and Lipa, we have at least, I think, 5 good hospitals and very good international schools and colleges, universities.
For our industrial estate, ano yung average cutting natin?
Okay, the sizes that we have are 1.5 hectares. And you can also consolidate and combine those.
So,
minimum is 1.5 hectares.
Minimum 1.5 hectares and you can buy more for bigger size.
Yes.
So, any restriction?
We can only accommodate from light to medium industries.
Light to medium industries. How will you define that one pa?
We cannot do cement.
Okay.
Because most of our locators are into food and also electronics.
So,
We
cement.
also cater to PEZA and non-PEZA clients.
Okay. Any other questions, clarification?
So, yung naka-highlight, ito ba yung in-open ngayon?
For the
That is the
this
existing.
portion,
That portion.
the inventory.
That's part of the inventory we are.
Because this space was already like made, sold and sold.
May locator. Mamaya, we're entering mamaya, no?
Yeah,
Para makita
we show
nila.
The exact location with the expansion. And you will be amazed because before, the reason why it's Lipa and Malvar. Now we also have parts of Tanawan, Santo Tomas, and then Alminas area. So from Batangas all the way to Laguna. That's how big it is.
Laki pala.
Yung source of utilities, power like electric and water.
Inside the estate, we provide our own power by Aboitiz Power through Lima Energy Zone. We also provide our own water by Lima Water, also affiliates of Aboitiz.
And waste.
Wastewater also.
Wastewater.
So, how many hectares na po yung na-develop?
Covered is around 826 hectares and continuously expanding.
But we still have around 1,400 hectares soon to be launched for another mixed use based on
So big.
So kagandahan ng commercial side natin is malapit sa outlet sa football field. Itong bubuksan na to, no?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So again, the average cut is 1,200 to 2,000 square meter, or they can buy more. Adjacent lot for 4 to 7 ang FAR.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Then, okay.
So you can see we have different features. We have the component of residential, commercial, and industrial, and we also have the we call it the outlets or the retail stores. And another feature would be the football field, which is really the other industrial parks doesn't have.
You mentioned earlier that this housing development has already been sold out.
This one,
Yes, sir.
there's still
Yes, sir.
selling.
No,
Meron
they're
pa.
still available.
May tenant na rin dyan, Sir Ted.
Like for example, yeah. This one was so lucky because when Aboitiz bought this in 2013, they already have this existing, and now they're really like have a great profit in terms
Yeah,
of
in
their
terms of
investment.
appreciation of-
Same
yeah.
thing that what happened here in Summer Hills, because of the interchange. Again, the value of this
That's
property
appreciate,
will
yeah.
increase and appreciate because we're going to construct ito yung pinaka mas malaki na zone 2 na commercial area. In fact, everybody in the area are so excited to have this kasi we're looking or we vision it as another parang alabang in the area. And the first here in the area.
And when is this happening?
It's happening already because we already have the first tower there, just beside the Lima Hotel.
Okay.
We will own the 7 towers owned by Aboitiz, and those 12 lots that was sold, of course, anytime soon they will construct their own buildings
Where are we right now?
in the outlets. Yeah.
Ah.
Now to give you a more detailed information, we're going to have a very quick presentation for the entire estate in the conference room, and followed by a site tour. Okay, na mas ma-appreciate talaga ang estate. What made us
Okay, again, good morning. This is your broker, Samuel Lau. So if you have some questions doon sa presentation natin, don't forget to contact your licensed broker, and we're willing to give you your investment briefing and proposal. Again, we can offer you commercial lots 1 to 1,200 square meter to 2,000 square meter, or our industrial estate, minimum 1.5 hectares or more. Okay? Mas madali, contact me. Thank you. Good morning.